All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and thanks for joining in. So I'm back at it again with another exciting matchup for you guys here tonight. And what I got right here in front of me is a 2016 BMW M3 and a 2018 Audi RS3. Now both of these cars are on upgraded turbos, and going under the hood with the M3, this is an upgraded single turbo kit with port injection. He is running on E85 and this is put together by Chino Built. Now this car does have some weight reduction. Let me just show you what tires he's running on. He is running on some Mickey Thompson, I believe these are ET Street R tires. And the RS3, he's on an upgraded turbo. I don't have the specs on it, but he is still on the stock engine as well as the M3 is. He's full supporting mods, running on E85. Now I believe this RS3 is actually heavier than this M3 because of the weight reduction. But both these cars run out good. I don't have horsepower numbers for you, but it should be a good race. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I am here in the single turbo M3, and the first race we are going to do with the RS3 is going to be from 60 miles an hour. How fast did you get to? 155. 155? Okay guys, on to round two. We are gonna do a 50 roll.